Tonight we're gonna have shake and bake for dinner. So inside here it has 2 packets of shake and bake. Let's take one out. Okay, so this is one of them. That sound right there is my Instapot. I'm cooking rice right now. So kind of like tear them apart and put them in the plastic like so. Kind of like pour everything in. Hence, that's why they call it shake and bake, right? So that you can put them in here and then shake, 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 and then bake them. And then with our chicken, this is our chicken right here, and we will put in our chicken and shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. Make sure all the surface of our chicken is covered with the shake and bake ingredient. You can see right here, it's all covered with shake and bake, right? It is all nicely crusted. And then another one, I am going to bake 3 right here. You know, you can actually cook them and cut them and put them in your salad as well, right? So mix, shake, 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 and then kind of like make sure you kind of like do this motion to roll it, and then that's the second chicken right there. Oops, you see those area is still raw. We're gonna put it back in and then kind of like do the same motion. Give it a little help, chick, 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 like this. And then take them out and then put them on the tray. And take the 3rd chicken. You see, it is just nice for 3 chicken. Can you see that? And then you can see that part is not covered with the what do you call that? The shake? What is it? What do we call it? So we are going to help them a little to kind of like take the crumb and put them on the chicken. Okay, so these are ready, and then we are going to put them in the tray, on the tray I mean. Okay, we have excess, and I am going to pat them on our chicken, those excess right there. Make it extra crunchy and extra flavor. Making sure all the area of the chicken is covered. I am going back to the first one. Alright, I think we are done. We are ready. Okay, so we are going to bake this. On the box, it will tell you the instruction. It will tell you 175 For boneless chicken, it says here 165 Fahrenheit, that is 74 Celsius. For boneless chicken is 30 minutes, and for chicken with bones is 45 minutes. But it depends. I mean, if you know what you're doing, then you can bake higher. If not, then stick with what the box tell you. And I'm going to put this away. So this is our chicken right here. It is nicely placed. Do you notice that there's an area here that I did not put anything? I did not space out the chicken. It's because we are going to put the asparagus on here as well and bake them together. So when the asparagus is actually done, because asparagus does not have to be cooked long, we are going to take this out first and then let the chicken inside to bake. All right, let's open up the oven and put this in. Mine right here is 350. So probably I am going to bake it for 20 minutes or 25 minutes or so. I am going to check them later and I will get back to you. Okay, our chicken is done. I just took them out from the oven. Let's go and cut them. Okay, let's put them on the plate. Our asparagus is here. Here you go. Let me cut them and show you. Look at that, everyone. And can you see the steam? Oh my goodness, it's looking so delicious. You know, like KFC, but even better. KFC in Malaysia though, if you have ever tried KFC in Malaysia, it tasted like that, but even better. And the chicken is still juicy in the inside. It's not overcooked, you can see that. Actually, you can make a lot of this and then cut them, prep them, cut them, and then put them on your salad and eat them together with your salad. Today, I am going to eat this with potato salad and asparagus right there. I will see you on my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye!